Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're diving into the powerful world of meditation and mindfulness. Get ready to reduce stress and boost your well-being. Meditation is like exercising your mind. It's a practice to focus your attention and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Regular practice offers amazing benefits. You'll likely experience reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, better sleep quality, and increased self-awareness. It can also help manage chronic pain, lower blood pressure, and boost your overall emotional resilience. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or lie down. Close your eyes or soften your gaze. Focus on your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Start with 5 minutes and gradually increase the time. Mindfulness isn't just for meditation sessions. You can practice it throughout your day. Try mindful eating. Savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors and textures. Practice mindful walking. Focus on the sensation of your feet on the ground. When you feel stressed, pause, take a few deep breaths, and notice your surroundings. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for a happier, healthier life. Start small, be patient, and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more wellness tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next video.